In June 2020, Jess Caroline and her ex-boyfriend Colt Johnson made their TV debut on 90 Day Fiancé, and we're here to talk about why Jess should keep her relationship with Colt in the past. The reality star's relationship with Colt has been rocky, with her seeking to destroy him and his mother, Debbie Johnson. While Jess and Colt have shared some fantastic times, they shouldn't be friends anymore. Many of the fans and show viewers had supported the fact and encouraged the reality stars to live separate lives from each other. On season 5 of 90 Day Fiancé, Jess and Colt introduced themselves as a couple planning their wedding. Soon enough, they were bitter adversaries. Jess was furious when she found Colt had been messaging Vanessa Guerra. He was, in her opinion, worse than garbage. Colt was the cheater that 90 Day Fiancé fans suspected, according to Jess. Colt was plainly untrustworthy, whether he was having an affair with Vanessa while dating Jess or cheating on his off-screen personal trainer with Vanessa. Aside from Colt's constant adultery, the couple's relationship has some positive aspects. Colt and Jess interacted over issues, including their active sex lives and their desire to have children, which led to Jess falling in love with him. Colt's advantages did not, however, exceed his disadvantages. Colt was a terrific boyfriend when Jess first met him. She conceded. Colt's manipulative behavior, on the other hand, is one of the main reasons Jess should permanently exclude him from her life. While Colt gave off the impression of being a steady lover, he quickly revealed to be a rude partner to Jess. Colt allegedly pretended to have phone conversations with Vanessa on 90 Day Fiancé, during which he reprimanded her to leave him alone, according to Jess. Then Jess found out that Vanessa was residing at Colt's house. Colt was accused of additional abuse by Jess, who said he shared her naked images. Colt allegedly assaulted Jess even more following their breakup in 2020 when he released her naked images. Fortunately, Jess is now happily married to Brian Harvey, her new companion. He is a Las Vegas-based vocalist and producer. Since his tragic breakup with Jess, Colt is also married. In May of 2021, Colt and Vanessa tied the knot. Despite her tumultuous relationship with Colt, Jess has indicated that she is glad for him. "I wish them the best," Jess said in an interview with In Touch. "I just hope Colt learns to quit cheating." While fans should be relieved that Jess has found happiness, she should be aware of Colt's manipulative tactics.